666.
Saudi Arabia gains a majority stake in Magic Leap with a $450 million deal. The kingdom has taken a majority share of the U.S.-based augmented reality company Magic Leap, according to a report in the Telegraph, widening the stake via its state-owned sovereign wealth fund, the PIF, with a deal amounting to $450 million. The investment puts the country's ownership of Magic Leap over 50%, giving it overall majority control. To date, Magic Leap has raised $4 billion, with minority investors including Google, Alibaba, Qualcomm, AT&T, and the German-based VC fund Axel Springer.
I don't have much to add there. I think we included this just because it was interesting and notable in the sense of, the nature and breadth of their investment interests. Magic Leap has struggled. It came out sort of out of that like gangbusters, but hasn't really been able to monetize. I think it's less consumer focused now and more in the professional services, but nonetheless, it's doing some, has some interesting and promising technology. I just think it's an interesting bet.
It's an interesting bet, and now they have majority control over it. So that's very significant. So we'll see what happens with that. They have the same they sort of did the same thing in a different way with Lucid, right? They sort of worked their way up and then went over the 50% mark. And now they control the board of that company, which is interesting. Yeah. There's a great Wall Street Journal report on the sausage making at the PIF. We saw, I think, on
that was good
from the Summer Sage, was one of the best.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Sausage making is a good term. And I guess they're trying to really to build that out with, talk about the early days. It was, obviously there was staffing shortages and expertise that wasn't there, and they're trying to build all that out.